Welcome to EquityRT. This tutorial offers an insight into the financial tables and extensive features related to financials. For a quick assessment on the company, you can use Financial Summary with key items from balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, and footnotes. Now, further details can be found in the Financial screen. The figures here are cumulative, but quarterly and interim options are also available. You can select a different currency, get all consecutive periods or only end-of-year figures, and expand the historical view up to 40 periods. We provide a standardized international template which covers all important figures, enabling you to conduct cross-country company comparisons. You can choose between announced and calculated methods, or use the recommended method which displays the calculated numbers when announced financials are not available for a specific period. Both latest and previously announced financials are available. Restated and As Of section serves for this purpose. The periods can be placed on the table from newest to oldest or inversely. Original files are also accessible with a single click. You can quickly access trailing 12-month figures